What is the problem? You can use the other one. Sorry. This one.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity, and thank you for welcoming all of us back from the long recess that we have been having. Mr. Speaker, I'm standing before this honorable house to give a notice of motion on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and for avoidance of doubt and for the 40 state members in the gallery, my name is Honorable Usiacha, the member representing the people of Ichone Ward. Honorable Speaker, I beg to give notice of the following motion. Aware that Article 181, subsection 1, A and C, and Article 75 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Section 3 of the County Government Act 2012, as read together with the Kisii County Assembly Standing Orders, empowers this House to remove the Deputy Governor from office. Further, aware that the Deputy Governor, Honorable Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, has duly failed to uphold the oath of office, and instead he has grossly violated the Constitution of Kenya as abused the office, and his conduct is wanting. Now, therefore, the House resolves that Honorable Robert Onsare Monda be removed from office by impeachment pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution of Kenya, Section 30 of the County Government Act 2012, and Standing Order number 61 on the following charges. Charge 1, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. Charge 2, abuse of office. Charge 3, gross misconduct. And charge 4, crimes under national law. I have appended my signature, and it's dated 13th of February 2024. Mr. Speaker, pursuant to our standing orders, Standing Order number 60, subsection 3, I hereby give a 7 days notice calling for the impeachment of the Deputy Governor. Attached hereto is a list of signatures, because I've managed to talk to my colleagues, and for avoidance of doubt, a total of 51 members of the Kisii County Assembly have appended their signatures in support of my motion. Thank you.